If you're new to Roblox and want to create an account, it's really easy. Start by going to the Roblox homepage. Since you don't have an account yet, you'll see the sign up screen right away. From there, just follow the prompts and fill in your information. Once you've entered everything, click on the sign up button. After a moment, Roblox will log you in and you'll land on the home page, all ready to start exploring. Now that you have your account, there are a few important safety tips to keep in mind. First, never share your password, even with friends you know in real life. It's always a good idea to make your password strong and hard to guess. For example, if your username is BlockSchool, don't make your password something like BlockSchool123. It's also important to remember that Roblox employees will never ask you for your password, so if anyone does, make sure to report them using the Report Abuse feature. And finally, don't fall for scams. There's no such thing as free Robux, so be cautious of players or websites that claim they can give you free Robux. Just stick to official Roblox sources. Stay safe,